Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Defender Antivirus Exclusions correctly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Defender Antivirus Exclusions correctly, start by opening your Windows security settings. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Windows Security in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Windows Security window, look for the option labeled Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Virus and Threat Protection to scroll down to find the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Look for the link that says Manage Settings and click on it. Under this section, locate the Exclusions header. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions to begin the exclusion process. You will be presented with an option to add exclusions for files, folders, file types, or processes. To add an exclusion, click on the Add an Exclusion button. A drop-down menu will appear with options for folder, file, file type, and process. Select the appropriate option based on what you would like to exclude. If you choose folder, navigate to the folder you want to exclude. Select the folder and click Select Folder. If you choose file, find the specific file you wish to exclude and click Open. For file type, enter the file extension you want to. If you select process, type the process name you want to exclude. After adding your exclusions, check that they are listed correctly under the Exclusions section. Review the list to ensure no unwanted exclusions are included. Once satisfied, close the Windows Security Settings window. Your Microsoft Defender Antivirus is now configured with the correct exclusions. Make sure to monitor your system periodically in case any adjustments are needed in the future. By following these steps, you can effectively prevent unwanted scans on specific files or folders while keeping your system secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.